Children, here I'm going to explain questions based on area. Let's start. So look here children, here our first question is, here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. So you can see here, this is the rectangle and its area is 20 square centimeter. Area of the rectangle equals 20 centimeter square. As you all know, formula for finding the area is length into breadth. So here children, this square is of 1 centimeter. Each side of this square is 1 centimeter. So first we will count number of squares column wise. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So length is 10 centimeter. Now count number of square row wise. So here your answer is 2 centimeter. 2 squares, 1, 2. And here length into breadth, 10 centimeter into 2 centimeter equals 20 centimeter square. So this is the area of the rectangle. Now what is written over here? Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. So children, I have drawn one straight line diagonally in this way, and you can see we are getting two triangles here. One triangle is this and another triangle is this. Okay, now what is written here? What is the area of each of the triangles? So children, for finding the area of each of the triangle, what you will do, area of each triangle is half of area of rectangle, and half of rectangle area is 20 centimeter square. So half of 20 centimeter square is 10 centimeter square. So your answer is area of each triangle is 10 centimeter square. So children, area, suppose this is your triangle 1. Okay, so triangle, this is your triangle 1 and this is your triangle 2. Okay, so area of this is 10 centimeter square and area of this also 10 centimeter square. And when you will add both the areas, what you will be getting? You will be getting the area of the rectangle. Okay, moving to the next page. Now children, here your question is, draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangles? So children, here I have drawn one straight line, and now here we have two rectangles. One rectangle is this, rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. Now what you have to do children, you have to find the area of these two rectangles, area of each of the smaller rectangles. So children, one simple way, simply you will divide area of the bigger rectangle, because here you can see we are getting two equal rectangles. Okay, so what we will do, we will simply, area of each smaller rectangle will be equal to half into area of bigger rectangle, half into 20, and your answer will be 10 square centimeter. One way is this, and another way you will count the number of squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So length is 5 and breadth I am going to write over here. Okay, 1, 2. So 2 centimeter is the breadth and 5 centimeter. So here area of rectangle 1 is what? Area of rectangle 1 is 5 into 2 equals 10 centimeter square. In the same way you will find the area of rectangle 2 and it will again come 10 centimeter square, and when you will add area of both the rectangles, you will be getting 20 centimeter square. That is the area of the bigger rectangle. Okay, moving to the next page. Now here what is written children, draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. So children, here you can see I have drawn two straight line. One line is making this rectangle and another line is making two triangles, two equal triangles. So area of rectangle children, as you all know, area of this rectangle will be half of the big rectangle. Area of this rectangle is 20 centimeter square. So area, here I am writing area equals 20 centimeter square. Here area of big rectangle is 20 centimeter square. So area of this rectangle is what? It will be half of area of big rectangle and it will be 10 centimeter square. Okay, so what is the area of the rectangle? So here you will write answer, area of the rectangle is 10 centimeter square. Answer: area of smaller rectangle equals 10 centimeter square. Now next question, what is the area of each of the triangles? So children, here you can see area of this smaller rectangle is 10 centimeter square, and when you will divide it into two equal triangles, what you will get? Each triangle will be of 5 centimeter square area. So here what we will write? We will write 5 centimeter area, 5 centimeter square area, and this one is again 5 centimeter area. Triangle 1 and triangle 2. Here I have written triangle 2. So here I have solved this question. Area of each triangle half into area of a smaller rectangle, and here your answer is 5 centimeter square. So what is the area of each of the triangles? So here you will write answer 5 centimeter square. So with this we come to an end, and I hope these question answers are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.